In the Nexus, silence is an illusion. Every movement leaves a signature or ripple in the fabric of the medium. Sound doesn't just travel. It lives within the geometry of motion. As a source approaches, it catches up to its own voice. Waves crowd together, rising in frequency and intensity. This is the Doppler Shift, the moment reality begins to compress. It is the mathematical proof that our perception is warped. A single frequency, split by the perspective of the observer. Pitch is not a constant. It is a variable of speed. Once the source passes, the universe stretches. The high-pitched energy of the approach dissolves into the deep, low moan of the distance. The sound literally changes its color. Motion is the architect of everything we hear. And in the Echo Chronicles, we are finally learning to listen to the vibration of the truth. Welcome to the shift.